Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. We are going to proceed with Thevenin's as well as Norton theorems, which is another continuation from our previous discussion on network theorem, whereby we already discussed about source transformation as well as superposition theorem. Now, what is the difference between Thevenin's as well as Norton theorems? So we are going to compare these two. In general, a linear two-terminal circuit can be replaced, by an equivalent circuit consisting of either this one and this one. So you must remember, it is about how we are going to replace, two-terminal circuit with an equivalent circuit. If, for example, we discuss about Thevenin theorems, so our equivalent circuit will be in this form, whereby your voltage source VTH in series, you must remember, in series with a resistor that we call RTH. Now it notes that VTH is actually an open circuit voltage, at the terminals, open circuit voltage, while RTH is the equivalent resistance at the terminals when the independent sources are turned off. And this is the ideas, your final equivalent circuit once you manage to finalize what is your VTH, what is your RTH. Now, on the other hand, you have this Norton. So what about Norton? So Norton, you have IN over here, which is your current source. If VTH is about voltage source, but IN is about current source. Norton is about current source, and it is in parallel with your resistor, which is your RN. But your IN is actually your short circuit current through the terminals. And your RN is your equivalent resistance at the terminal. And this is your representation for your equivalent circuit, whereby your IN in parallel with your RN. So you must compare this one in series, this one in parallel, while this one in series. The last concepts of network theorems in general we are going to discuss today, it is about maximum power transfer. So it is actually related with the previous concept, which is Thevenin's as well as Norton's. If we have this circuit, for example, this is your VTH, this is your RTH, and this is your RL, variable resistor. Maximum power transferred can be defined as a process to the load when the load resistance equals to the Thevenin resistance as seen from the load. Let me rephrase. So in this circuit, maximum power will be transferred. So in this circuit, your maximum power will be transferred to the load. So this is your load, your RL, when your RL equal to your RTH. So here is your RL, here is your RTH. When these two values are the same, then your maximum power will be transferred. So you have this basic formula. You know that P equal to I squared R, right? So if you have this series circuit, you must remember your current flowing in this way. So your I, which is here, this is basically your I. You know that your I here is actually VTH over RTH plus RL, because this is your series circuit, right? This is I squared RL, because your RL is over here. So this is general concepts of network theorems, which we can define into number one, source transformation, number two, superposition theorem, Number 3, Thevenin plus Norton theorem. And number 4, maximum power transfer. Thank you.